Hey guys, welcome to another video. So finally we have an official announcement from the administrative department here. We can see that here the uh, home department, the additional secretary to government in home department, he has written a letter to the secretary of Odisha Public Service Commission. You can see it is the letter of today. I mean on 26th of October this letter has been addressed to Odisha Public Service Commission secretary. So this is regarding conduct of recruitment to the post of Assistant Section Officer of Odisha Secretariat for the year of 2021. So let's just go through the letter. I am directed to invite a reference to the meeting held on 21st October 2021 under the chairmanship of Chief Secretary Odisha on the above subject and request you to undertake the process of recruitment of ASOs as per the commission schedule. So this is the outcome of the meeting that was conducted on 21st of October, and now the criteria of 6 months that was in the last notification. We can see the last notification here. You can see it is therefore requested that the necessary steps may kindly be taken for the completing the entire recruitment process within 6 months. In the current letter, it has been removed. The criteria has been removed. Now the commission is going to decide the schedule when it is going to conduct the examination, and it will do it. Okay. The concerned requisition and the draft advertisement are therefore resent with a request to take steps to conduct the recruitment examination for filling of the huge number of ASO vacant posts in different departments of Odisha Secretariat. So basically, the additional secretary to home department he has written to the secretary of Odisha Public Service Commission to conduct the examination as per the schedule, because OPSC has major examination like OJS and the mains examination of OCS on the calendar. So they are going to release the notification probably in December. And if we see the last year's notification, they released the notification in the month of August. Then they started the application process in the month of October, and the initial schedule for the examination was in December. So there was 2.5 months gap between the start of application process to the examination. So hopefully this time also they are going to repeat the same. Hopefully they will be releasing the notification by December, last week of December or first week of January, and the application process will be starting by the last week of January, and examination will be conducted in April or May. So that is just my prediction about the schedule. So let's see what happens, and all the best to you guys. So now at least we are clear that OPSC is going to conduct the examination. There is no SSC, no Odisha Staff Selection Commission or any other commission is going to conduct. OPSC is going to conduct the examination. So let's just focus on the preparation, and let's not get diverted by any other rumors. Okay. So all the best to you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.